The Internet of Things is evolving in a very interesting way, especially for enterprises. What is coming together is what I call a system of engagement, where the user is at the center of the interaction, coming together with intelligent systems, assets that are turning very smart, and connecting them to systems of record and business processes. So this dynamic where users, things, and processes are connected together is triggering a whole lot of new innovation for businesses, enabling them to provide better customer service, better engagement, better supply chain logistics, better process automation. What we're seeing is that the Internet of Things is actually relevant to a lot of industries, but some of the immediate ones, where there is a lot of interest in terms of understanding, the power of connected assets, services, and so on. For example, discrete manufacturing, industrial automation, where you have a lot of industrial assets. People want to understand how to take these, currently unconnected assets and connect them through telemetry, telematics, and so on, and then drive whole new process. Could be service automation, remote asset management, better user engagement, and so on. So discrete is a very natural area. And same thing with the process industry. And the interesting thing, by that I mean areas like mining or oil and gas. You have oil rigs out there in the middle of the ocean. You have wind turbines out there, let's say in the North Sea. The idea is, how do you really manage all these assets? And some of these things are extremely expensive. So they seek a very high level of uptime for these assets, and also to provide the users who are working in very remote areas the right type of coverage. They want the users to have the right information, the right safety precautions, and also provide a better standard of living wherever they are under remote conditions. To enable them to be connected all the time is also fundamentally going to transform the way that they engage in these industries. SAP goes to market in a number of areas. We offer applications. We offer a technology platform that we call HANA, an in-memory powered computing platform for the enterprise. We offer a number of assets relating to real-time data acquisition. We're also very big in mobility and providing process automation. So what we're trying to do as part of the IoT strategy to enable the enterprise is to really weave all these things together into a very coherent framework, and also work with our ecosystem to offer this as an end-to-end solution. So what enterprises seek is something end-to-end in terms of a solution. I think it starts at the heart. It starts with a change in business. Somebody wants to tackle a business problem. It could be to make their customer service better. So that cascades into how do we make our systems more intelligent. It could be a cleaning machine. It could be a pump. It could be a compressor. It could be any of these things. How do we take that information and how do we connect that to business processes in our company? How do we change the way we serve our customers? It could be making things more predictive. It could be making things more, as I said, managed remotely. It's also saying, is there an opportunity to transform the company by tackling new areas that they couldn't do before? Maybe there are new areas where, let's say, asset as service models, more direct engagement with the consumers that they couldn't connect before. I'd like to talk about a couple of examples that we're showing at the Mobile World Conference. One is the smart crane solutions that we're working with a company, SK Solutions, to put in a lot more enterprise technology into anti-collision software that they're offering to construction companies. What this does is it enables our HANA platform to support anti-collision situations that happen on construction sites. The other example that we're showcasing is connected vending or connected retail, where you're taking a vending machine that used to sit in a dark corner somewhere and turn that into a really point of interaction with the consumer, where the consumer is now able to get a very personalized, make a personalized purchase, where consumers or the shoppers' preferences are understood. They're able to execute the transaction with a mobile device. So it really changes the consumer example and the industrial example.